If you are wondering if we have AI camera on the POCO X8 Pro Max, then I would say no. So, of course, it is possible that the camera uses some sort of AI in order to improve the quality of pictures that you take, especially if you use a bit of a zoom. But realistically, it doesn't really have to be AI, and I don't think it's nowhere stated that AI is used especially for that. There is no option that allows you to just simply remove AI or disable AI in the camera. There are a couple of things that indicate that we do have AI tools in the camera. For example, in settings, we have AI recommendations, and here we can find automatic night mode, QR code scanner, and notifications about orientation. However, I have to be honest, I don't think these are actually AI tools. I would say that these tools, these things that we have in here are not truly AI, but Xiaomi really likes to label anything they can as AI. So that's why I'm skeptical about this. I don't think they actually use AI in order to do any of these things, but you know, Xiaomi being Xiaomi, they label AI, so we can say that yeah, in that case we do have AI. Other than that, the only thing besides these settings that you may consider as AI is the beautify effect, which we can find, for example, in the photo mode, which is over here. Now, in the case of the rear camera, is just a simple slider, and if you switch to the front camera, then over here we have a couple of different options like smoothness, the tone adjustment, contour, and so on and so forth. So maybe this can be considered as AI. I'm not entirely sure, but if I had to choose, then yes, this can be considered as an AI tool in the camera if someone really wants to argue about that. So besides that, that's all we have that can be related to AI in the camera on POCO X8 Pro Max. Leave a like and subscribe.